I'm Nora Bannerman, the CEO of Sleek Garments Export Limited. We are a clothing manufacturing company. We were established in 2002, although our history dates back to over 4 decades, and that's how long I have been in the industry. Our main buyers being Reutech and Mergers. We've been taking advantage of AGOA to supply buyers on the US market. We are also taking advantage of EPA to manufacture various products for customers from the EU. So the competitive advantage of Sleek Garments Export Limited, first of all, is our experience on global markets.
We continue to liaise with various organizations and institutions to obtain the statutory certifications and licenses. We do not recruit child labor. We protect our workforce from forced labor and discrimination, and we have policies in place for this. We provide a decent living wage above minimum wage.
Sleek Garments Export Limited is a woman-owned business. So we as women understand the challenges of what women go through, their contribution to their communities, especially in sharing their income with their siblings, with taking care of the elderly. So we run special training programs for them. Our main aim is to empower them, give them the right skills so that they can remain employable. And we give employment to most of the women that we give training to. Over 85% of our employees are women. We also give training to our workers to continue to improve on quality as well as speed to market. We are able to set up at least 3 lines for knitwear. We have over 300 machines. Our machine ranges from double stitch machines to feet of the arm machines.
My name is Patience Piaka from Sleek Garments Export Limited. I've been here 4 years now. And Sleek Garments have helped me a lot to the extent that I'm able to operate 5 machines. That is the 5-thread machines, the feet of arm, the 4-thread, beating a single needle. And I'm ready to learn more and experience more if the opportunity comes.
We have a wide variety of products. Some are for smaller boutiques and therefore smaller quantities. And then of course we have this shirt that was shipped to the US under AGOA, sold in Ross stores all over the US. And then we have overalls, we have uniforms used by workers of oil rigs. We have such a wide variety.
We intend making the factory energy efficient by installing solar panels and using organic cotton fabric in our production processes.
We ourselves are open to partnerships where our buyers may sometimes supply the kind of fabrics that they would want us.